Do your knees crack, making you feel terrified whenever you want to squat down? Joint health is something that's very important as we get older, and if you are someone who lifts weights constantly. If you're someone who lifts heavy often, your knees are usually the first thing to go. This is why we have our joint support product, which uses a lot of ingredients that are going to deal with this specifically, including boswellia. Boswellia, more particularly the active component known as AKBA, is going to be helpful for the lubrication of your knee joints, strengthening that cartilage, and reducing the degradation of collagen that is in your knees. This will give you more flexibility and strength in your knees, allowing you to squat down without running into these issues.